Welcome traders. This video will see Eurusd February contract and Eurusd today's price action by the institutions concepts. Let's see guys, this is Eurusd 1 hour chart. See guys, this is Friday price action, yesterday price action. This is today's price action. This is my target level for today price clear this level. See guys, I show you. See guys, in this today's morning, I expect this, you can see this is previously high. Liquidity equal high is formed in this place. You can see, this buy stops, buy sell liquidity, and this Asian range low. This level is 4 hour bullish order block, and this imbalance is 1 hour fair value gap or 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Can see. So guys, I expect today's morning, okay, price may be after touch this level, price may be clear this level, but price after taken this Asian range low, sell stop liquidity, market makers moving market to this level. You can see market makers moving the market to the upside after clearing this Asian range low and after touching this today's price opening level. Can see this is today's price opening level. I expected is price okay, maybe clear, maybe touch this 4 hour bullish order block and 1 hour buy side imbalance, but price doesn't come this level. Price after taking this Asian range low liquidity, that is sell stops also, price moving up and taken these buy stops also after taken this level. This is this candle. Can see this candle is the, can see this fair value gap, market makers placed their buy limits. You can see this is institutions order flow and trade. After market makers clear this buy side liquidity, they place their orders in this fair value gap. Can see this is institution order flow and trade. See guys, after touch this level, price moving up, price clear my target level. Can see. See guys, let's see how I fixed my target level. This is the weekly imbalance level. See guys, this is weekly chart. See guys, forget this current weekly candle. Can see last week price create and imbalance. See guys, after clear these all sell stops. See last weekly candle, price create imbalance and current weekly candles filled the imbalance level. See guys, today's price filled this imbalance. See guys, price filled this imbalance. This is my magnetic level. That is my magnetic level. Price clear, clean this level. You can see. See guys, this is weekly chart, and we'll see Eurusd February contract. See guys, this is Euro seasonal tendency chart. You can see this is Feb month contract. See guys, seasonal tendency chart Euro suggest to price move lower. Price may be moving down. See guys, seasonal tendency suggests to trade lower. See guys, this is Euro seasonal tendency chart February contract, price moving down. This is first confirmation. We'll see interest rate of USD and Euro. See guys, this is USD interest rate 0.25%, and euro interest rate is 0.00%. You can see USD is strong, euro is weak. See guys, USD unchanged on Jan 26. Federal Bank unchanged this 0.25% on Jan 26. Can see next release on March 16. See guys, if they are unchanged, US is strong. If they increase that level, USD is strong. If they decrease that level, USD may be weak. See guys, now USD is strong, euro is weak. You know, in euro, next release, interest rate release tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow interest rate. If they price interest rate increase or decrease or unchanged. Because now USD is strong, euro is weak. Seasonal tendency suggests to Feb month price may moving lower, and interest rate also until suggest USD is strong, euro is weak. See guys, we are in Feb month. Can see price filled weekly candle also this level. Can see last weekly candle, imbalance candle filled today. Can see 100% imbalance filled. You know, this level also 50% of premium level. Can see guys, 50% of, can see guys, this is also 50% of premium level. You know, if market trade in 50% of premium level, price market may be reverse. Price in reversing point. You know, also price filled the imbalance. That is second sign of reversing level. And also price in 1 day bearish order block. Can see this order block candle, OP candle, price clear, after clear imbalance, price respect these order block. See guys, as I told, February month is bearish trend for euro USD. You know, season tendency, euro season tendency also suggests to price lower, and interest rate is USD is strong, euro is weak, then euro USD will move down. See guys, price is in reversing my reversing level, and if price may be clear this level and can see is this the price we have left side imbalance. See guys, see we have price imbalance in this left side. You can see buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Feb month, this month price may be clear this imbalance level. See guys, but as you know, always price in reversing point. As you know, price filled this imbalance, last week imbalance, and price lived in the 50% of premium level. That's also, you know, reversing point, and price in 1 day bearish order block. If price doesn't respect this level, price may be clear these buy stops, and after filled and heavy rejection of this level, price again moving down, or price, as you know, price is now currently in reversing level. Because price filled the weekly Faraday gap and bullish one day bearish order block and monthly 50% premium level. This is also reversing level. I expect this month fully bearish for Euro USD from this level to below this Faraday gap, this imbalance because this level. I expect price may be clear this month this level from this, from this by expecting of this bull bearish order block, or after clear these buy stops and by the heavy rejection of the Faraday gap, price moving down. This is my expectation. We'll see what will happen in the market. Let's see guys, another video. I hope this video will helping in your trading journey. If you learn from this video, please hit the subscribe button. It will induce me to upload more institutions concepts and ICT concepts. We'll see you guys another video. Thank you. Good trade. Good luck.